Fix Google Play Games account not working. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to the Play Store application on your device and make sure that you have the latest version of Google Play Games. So as you can see, I have the latest version of the application due to the fact that I don't have the update option available over here. So I'm going to go back to the home screen and make a long press on Google Play Games. Then tap on App Info, and after that you'll be landed on a new page where you can see the option of clear all data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So just tap on it and then delete all data. Then go to the app permissions and make sure that you toggle on all the required permissions. So right now it says no permissions has been denied or allowed. So we're going to go back and then restart the device, and this might fix your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications. So see you next time.